Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add Visa gift card to Apple Wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, what we're going to do is we're simply going to go ahead and open up our settings, and from over here we're going to simply scroll and find our wallet option. Once we are tapped on our wallet, this is how the interface gonna look like. When we have to simply tap on this option of add card. Once we tap on this option of add card, it will simply let us have a section where we will be able to add our Visa gift card information. Go ahead, add in your card information, recheck it, and confirm. That's how your card will be added, and you can later on check it out in the wallet app itself as well. Now you can do it to any other cards available at your hand as well. If you have physically any other card available or online based, you can go ahead and tap on this add card option to add another card, and again make sure to have the correct information and you're good to go. That's how we do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.